construction industry is a lot of hard-working, hands-on fun. Make people happy by beautifying their most valued treasure, their home. Learn how to measure and install the most popular window and siding products in the U.S. market. Work with general contractors, construction companies, or independently. Explore an industry that Forbes listed as one of the top 7 in-demand jobs in 2018. Be trained by skilled professionals and certified instructors in the exciting world of construction.